In this video, I'm going to show how to download and install Eclipse IDE in a Windows environment. This is official website, eclipseide.org. You can search in download Eclipse for Windows. There are several places. For example, the first one, Eclipse Foundation. You can click this one. You see the different interface. This is the download page. You can download from here. That is download x86-64 for the Windows, and this is ARM architecture. So let's download this Intel. Okay. Here you will see this one is going to be the installer with jar, and it is exe file. This is just an installer, so you can click to download. It's going to automatically download over there. Okay, that is the first one, the download page. The here has installer page. You click this one, you are going to get into this installer download page. Installer, you can select different architecture. Also for this page, they has instruction to tell you which one to select, how to install it. This one is very convenient, easy way to install it. In our case, we are going to click this one, installer x86. Okay, you see here the same page that is installer Win68. So we already download that part. And then let's look at the foundation page. This is the official foundation homepage. This is the homepage. The first page here has a download button to download the current version 2025. Click this one. You will get the download page, the same download page package. Another way to install download is this one, Eclipse IDE for Java developer. We are going to use the Java application, so we are going to use the Java developer version. Certainly, there are some other versions for the enterprise version, many different packages and C++. This one is good for our course. Here is actually a zip file. You see here, if we install Windows x86, we click it. Here the download, you see here that Eclipse Java and that zip file. The zip file including everything, including the jar, and you do not need to install it. You extract it and then save into your home directory, or you extract it from your download folder. You can directly use it. I think this is good for someone does not has a root privilege. You cannot install in your computer. You can use this one. The easy way to use the installer. Okay, anyway, we download this one, download into the download folder. Let's go to my download folder to look at what here is download folder. You see here the installer, INST, that is the installer, and also the Java zip file. Okay, this is a zip file. If you double click this one, the first one, double click and extract into my download folder, and then this one is going to extract it into one folder. Let's go back to my directory. You will see a folder was created. You see Eclipse Java 2025. Okay, waiting for it finish. Then you will see within this Eclipse Java folder has another level of the Eclipse, and within this Eclipse, the executable. This is the application executable. You can directly run from here, or you can pin to start button. Okay, it's complete. Okay, this is the one, everything is extracted here, and then you can highlight this one, right click to pin to the start button, and then your start button is going to have this icon. Or you can directly run at here. So we double click it, it's going to start your application. The first things is let you to select what is the working space or your file going to save into here. It's basically is in your user. This is your username, and then this workspace. So most likely you don't want to change that one, so you can launch the application. Okay, the window defender going to let you make a choice. Okay, we want to exclude this one since we know we write your program yourself speed, so you can process it. Okay, you need has root privilege to let system run. Okay, this is a page when you first start it up. They tell you Java 24 is released. You can install, download the JDK 24. Okay, why this happens? Because the Eclipse comes with the Java JDK jar, but the latest version is available. So you can install this one when you want to use the latest one. Okay, let's see where the jar file. Let's see the window preference. Okay, here has Java. Install the jar file. Okay, the installed jar file, you will see Eclipse automatically come with the version of this is when you download it. Actually, let's go back. Uh, wherever we extracted this one, so we extracted this folder, it's in the download folder. So I copy this whole folder into my documentation folder. Okay, in my documentation folder, it's here, Eclipse Java 24, and this folder, and then this is executable. I always run from my documentation folder. Okay, this is everything in here. So that is why here the jar file, default jar file, is in my documentation folder, and this is the file in the Eclipse and the products. And so let's go back to my documentation folder. Here has my documentation folder. This is the Eclipse Java, Eclipse, and plugs. Plugs has here JDT debug. Just open JDK, hotspot jar for this is the everything, the jar file and library. This is the actually Eclipse use all this jar file from here. Okay, that is why you will see here the my documentation folder, Eclipse jar 2025. Eclipse folder plugin. This is the OpenJDK. So let's show it here. Okay, this is the place the IDE use the Java development case. What is version was available is here. Okay, since this is a new machine, I do not have anything. For example, I go to my C drive, program file. You see here, I do not have that Java folder. I only have Oracle folder, but that is a virtual machine I use for something else. So if you download the zip file and then you extract it, copy into my documentation folder, and then you directly can use it. You do not need to installation. You do not need to install the JDK. It's already come with the JDK, which previously packed with the IDE. I believe the Eclipse 25 used the JDK 20 version 23. The current version is 24. Okay, so this is the way you can use. And if you want to install the latest version, you can download from use this button to download the OpenJDK 24. That is the latest version. It's built Linux window. Okay, you see this is also zip file. So let's click to download it. Okay, and there, if you download this one for a zip file, you had to extract it and then copy into the location in the See My Documentation folder. So that is not the way normally we recommend. If you want to install, let's go back to download installer. Okay, so we already downloaded it, which is in my download folder. This is one way download the Eclipse zip file. The simple way is to download the installer. So you run the installer to install your Eclipse. Here, for example, I already download the installer, which is we can download from this page. And since I already downloaded it, we can double click to install it. To run installer, you need has administrator privilege to install it. We only need to install Eclipse IDE for the Java developer. To select that one, the key is here. You see, installer folder is going to install into your personal home directory has a folder here, and then Java 2025, but the Java, the current is 24 since we previously 2023. Previously, this one is a download folder. 20, 21, 23, they are going to directly download from there. Okay, so this is Java Virtual Machine. But if you want to use the installer to install it, you can make the choice, the Java previous version or Java latest. They recommend 23. Okay, and here actually you have the option to go to Oracle. For example, if you download JDK for Windows or Windows 11, for example, okay, you want to look at the official web page. Official web page that is in the Oracle. Java JDK, installation of Java JDK for Windows. Oracle here, Oracle download. And then Java 24, that is the latest one. We want to select window, and you can use the installer. Installer is, this is archive as zip file. You have to extract it and copy. The installer is going to install the JDK for you. Okay, so it's very small. To open it, you can double click to install it. Certainly, if you want to install it into your machine, you need has local admin privilege to install it. This is the latest version, 24. Click OK. You see here they are going to install into programs Java JDK 24. you see they are going to save into the installed programs so that the system level everyone can use it. This is the place. So we are going to install it. Okay, it is installed. Let's go back to our machine, go to C, program files. You see here has a folder called Java. Within this Java, I only has the latest version, GTK 24. If you has a previous version, it's going to list it as here, Java 23, 21, 22, 18, whatever. Okay, and then we know we have this Java JDK installed, and then we are going to install Eclipse installer. So first you install Java JDK, and then go to install Eclipse installer. So double click Eclipse installer. You only need to select the first one, Eclipse IDEs for Java development. We are using this IDE for develop Java code, so we only need this one. Let's click. Here we can find the different version of the JDK to bond with our IDE. Previously we had 23, 21, so we have this latest one that is Java JDK 24, and then the install IDE in the user's environment. So click install, and the license, we download data from online. So installation complete successfully. So we are going to launch our IDE. Here is our workplace. We always keep the default workplace. Problem occurred, Microsoft Defender exclude check is income problem, failed to retrieve Microsoft Defender status. So we do not need to Defender to check. That's okay. This one is reminding there has a new RC version, so we do not need that one. Also, you can download SD. We already had that one. So let's go back to our window preference and let's see our Java compiler installed. You see here the jar file. We can select use the 24 version as our default to apply and apply code. Close it. Okay, that's it. Basically, I showed how to download the zip file. You can extract it and directly copy into your My documentation to use it. Another way is to download the installer, but installer may need you to download the Java JDK first, and then install the Java JDK, and then install the Eclipse. Okay, the two ways. But anyway, the IDE can use different version of the Java JDK. The default, the Java JDK come with the IDE is version 21. For the easy processing, you better just keep use whatever is come with the JDK. So do not need to download the latest one to cause you some problem compatible or whatever. Whatever the default one is good to use. Okay, I'm stopped at here. Thank you very much. See you next time.